What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing a windshield banner that I had recently bought. I actually got a plain all black one. Right now we're gonna take a quick test drive with Louis and this brand new Teggy. Here's my boy Louis, shout out.
Yo, you know the vibes. Mad loud for no reason. That's not good.
Yo, no bullshit, nigga. I fucking smacked the fuck out of my head when you hit that bump.
This shit is hilarious.
Hey, this is the best part, bro. So you got the car. Hey, I gotta record this shit, bro. Yo, no way I'm getting my legs out first with this, bro. Nah, I have to go head first. You're bugging out. My balls. Shit.
Race car shit.
Holy fuck. Alright. Whew. Yeah, that's how I get out, and that's how he gets it out. Nice, fucking easy. Whew. Oh, she's a little dirty. Come on, we're gonna go give her a little wash after this too. Yeah, guys, gonna apply a nice all black banner to complement the roof and the front. The big one. Okay, yeah, as you guys can see, I don't have video of me installing my front lip. I have a video of how it looks afterwards. And what you're going to see is probably me, the video of my front lip after I also install my coilovers. So that's why you might see my car being a little weird, or look a little weird at least, with it being raised and lowered in different parts of the video going through it. You'll see what I'm saying. The car. So the front sits pretty close to the ground. I think I have like about 1.5 inches off the floor, to be honest. Now, I told you guys we're gonna work on the windshield banner today. So today, what I got for you guys is the windshield banner I bought from eBay. I'll drop the link down below. There's also a picture right here, how it looks. Also, got simple water, soap, not too hard to find. Got microfiber towels and visible glass clean just to help make sure it's now all nice and clean, get rid of all the dust. That's make sure once it rolls on top, it'll stick properly and cure. And then, you know, stainless steel knives. This easy, doesn't stain or cut through the glass. Very nice and helpful, and also a little squeegee to help get into the corners. this cut off right here at this line. I don't want too much seats. Obviously, too much for me. To be honest with you, I'll think about it. What we can do, I have to make sure I don't want to push doors. I was gonna say, wait, if we keep lifting it instead of putting it in the middle of it, so yeah, we just keep lifting the top. Yeah, you're right, top spreadsheet. So my suggestion is it's low. I can't get it. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing big boy Raceland coilovers. Alright guys, so today we have Raceland coilovers, came into the mail like 2 weeks ago. Jack stands, mallet, a little ruler just so we can get the height equal on all four. You guys don't worry about it. That's when we get to the back of the car. Gonna have some tools, torque wrench, and wired torque gun, or impact wrench, sorry guys. Whew, it's hot out here today. So, right now we're going to the front. What you're gonna do is jack up the front, take off, obviously, your rims, and get to taking off your coilover. I didn't record much of me taking off my rims or installing the coilovers. I did take, however, quite a decent amount of time. I ended up not having Allen wrenches with me, so I had to stop what I was doing. Thankfully, my boy Louis was there. He did come back again. He came back and helped out with what's it called? He came and helped out with coilovers. So he brought me to the store, we got the Allen wrenches, came back, and then we started getting to work, and we ended up finishing through. But sadly, I forgot to set my phone back up as we were putting the coilovers on. So unfortunately, I do not have video of me installing the coilovers, but I will show you guys a nice little clip of how they look after they're done. I also showed a little clip when I was showing off my front lip a little before. So guys, that's how it looks on the outside. Back. The front. You see we are obviously lowered. Yeah guys, here's how it looks. The camera on this side and that side are obviously different. I need to get a... Holy shit, guys, look at this difference now to get in the car. This is my head height. Shit, oh my god. Nice. Alright, catch you guys after. This is a mess. Look at how close, look at all the dirt and grime. This car's been sitting for the weekend. I just came back from my Vermont trip. Thought I'd give it a clean now that I'm back. Taillight's acting up again. Water's getting into it. Gotta take that out. Dump out the water or something. And look at this. You can see all the dirt. Like all that dirt coming off my hands. Like, whoa. But yeah, so we're gonna get the car wash. Yeah, this clip what I'm about to show you guys right now is obviously before I lowered my car, but my car was, it was just dirty. So, you know, I had to clean it. And just like that, all clean. Got not all fucking pants soaked, butt of my shirt soaked. I don't know what's wrong with my hose, but it's not connected properly, I guess. But all done. It looks good. I just gotta dry it off now. I was gonna do the tires, but unfortunately, I don't know where my tire brush went. I'm just losing things all of a sudden. Yeah, I don't know where my tire brush is. I was gonna do my tires real quick and rims, but I guess not. I'll just buy a new one once I buy my tires for the new rims, which you guys will see very, very soon. They're all done. You guys will see that very soon. It's all finished, prepped, done, painted. Once you guys see, I hope you guys love it the same way I love it. And I think that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, I'm gonna dry it off, and yeah, that'll be it for today. I'll keep you guys posted about how I sit down and try to go over everything, what I have planned for the car, what's already coming in, what's going to be coming in, and all around my plans for the rest of this car, for this year at least. Okay, I'll catch you tomorrow.